What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. Today I'm going to continue the third series of REPORTLAB tutorial. So probably a couple of weeks ago I have uploaded two videos on REPORTLAB. That was actually like introduction, installation, and like I have created one simple PDF, and after that I actually created how to um, I created one PDF file using like some sort of PDF encryption, or like in very basic level, like how to create a PDF file using password, or like protected credential. So there are 3 or 4 types of different tutorials which I have which is already covered. But in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to write something. I think we already have seen that, how to write something and how to format your strings. Like more or less, this is going to be the fonts. So without like wasting like much time, so just let's start our video. But before moving forward, just one request: those are actually not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that the notification should not be like missed from your uh, from you. Okay, so that's all. Let's start the video. So the first thing first, let's import like from reportlab.pdfgen import canvas. So today I'm using Eclipse. So from report lab dot lib dot units import inch. Okay, just for base sizing. The next thing is like c equals to, let's say, or like pdf file equals to canvas dot canvas. Just give one name, let's say it's font tutorial dot pdf. Then just okay, pdf file dot get available fonts. So actually this is going to print all the fonts. Let's say fonts equal to this. Now let's print this thing, then it will be easier for understand how to get all the available fonts. I think this is going to write one or print one list. So these are the fonts available. Okay, so we can use any of this font to like format our file. So but before moving forward, like font in fonts, and then c pdf file dot set font. It's going to be like font, and just keep the size name as 2025. Okay, then let's change the color. pdf file dot think it is going to be set fill color. I think set fill color RGB. So just make it this 0 0.1 0.5. Okay, and let's write something like pdf file dot drawstring. Okay, so our x will be, let's say, 30, and y is y, and our text will be font. So I'm just giving, let's say, y is 760. Okay, and I'm just going to minus this to up to 10. So it is from top to bottom. So let's start this thing and once this is done, let me just save this thing like pdf file dot save. So what is happening over here, I'm just creating one PDF file, and after that I am just saving the entire list of fonts in this variable or list variable, and after that I'm just printing this thing, and once this is done I'm just iterating through the list and I'm just creating. So before going forward, let me just do one thing, like PDF file dot translate, it will be inch, and just for specifying. So okay, hope it should run. So it's done, it's terminated. So let's refresh this thing. Actually I'm using Eclipse, so I have to refresh manually. This is a very weird thing in Eclipse. So font tutorial has been created, so let me just open this thing. Well, nothing happened actually. Okay, why? Okay, the thing is that y minus 10, actually I have to like use y equals to y minus 10. Now I should run this again. Okay, so now let's run this. So again it is like not very much very well placed actually. So I think hmm, I think I should make this a bit 15, and let's check this to y minus 2. Okay, now it's okay. So this many fonts are available. So see, you can, I'm just giving you the complete thing how you can use, like in your case, like most of the cases probably you are having like first paragraph is title, second paragraph is content, and third paragraph will be something called regards and all. So you need to use three sort of fonts. So in that time you have to looping through the fonts. So if you created a list using the font, and after that you can assign each element one font, then you can use this sort of techniques. Like, so that's all, like how to use different font. But again, in the next video it is going to be very interesting. For example, I'm getting lots of requests from most of my like friends from like mostly from countries like Middle East and all. They are actually very much interested to use like, or they are having some requirement to use their Arabic fonts. So how to use that Arabic fonts? If you see in REPORTLAB, there is not, it is not possible to get Arabic fonts, because by default this is not possible. So how to use that font? So I'm gonna continue, or I'm gonna cover that tutorial in the next video. But before ending the video, so let me just conclude the session. So in this tutorial, like what we have seen, like how to use a different sort of fonts, or how to use how to check what are the different fonts are available, and how to assign your contents, or like PDF contents, like with respect to your requirement. And also you can give some color using this thing, and also you have mentioned this size of the font. So okay, so the first thing first, this the importing of this thing, like this is normal, and after that I just created this file, and after that this thing just saving all the fonts in the form of list inside this variable, and after that I'm just printing this assign on random value, like from top to bottom, and I'm just iterating through the list, and I'm just creating this whole file, and after then I just save. Okay, so I think this is very simple, but this is going to be very important when going to work actually with some sort of like PDF reporting and all. That time font will be definitely important, because as I said, like most of the companies have their like brand and quality thing for this sort of reports, and for every department has their own fonts, or mostly in company specific or something like that. So fonts going to be like very important one, and the size and color. So that's all guys. Like before conclude, last but not least, please subscribe to our channel, share our videos with your friends. If you think you can do something more better, if you have some feedback, if you have some suggestion, or if you have some other topics which we can like create videos, please do let us know via Facebook like page, via commenting on our videos, or you can directly send me an email. And also if you have some clarification doubt or any other things, just don't hesitate, just write me. I'll be happy to help you. Okay guys, that's all, that's for today, and hope to see you in the next video. And in that video I'll show you how to use some like other types of font which is by default not available inside the REPORTLAB like fonts library. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye.